always takes me with him everywhere. Because I got it like that. Hey, what's that? Oh, man, that was nasty.
See, Bear, I told you a million times, don't bathe in the sink, especially when I'm in a hurry.
I would have taken a shower, but I didn't want to mess up my funky new hairdo. Hey, Jamal, where'd you go? Oh, so Jamal thinks he's gonna split on me like Heavy D's bicycle shorts, huh? We'll just see about that. Besides, knowing Jamal, he'll need my help with something sooner than later. Here I go, here I go, here I